Okay? Ganyan. Okay? Then, iwan mo to, nakaganyan, i-proceed. Okay? Then, saka mo ito, you let the excess water drain into your elbow. Pag yung agtid-tid ka pa lang, kapan ka dyan. Uraya nga agtid-tid ba si Titoy, do not shake. No shaking. Ay, nawa. No shaking. Nakaganyan lang siya. What is hand scrubbing? Objective. What are the preparations that you should do before scrubbing? Okay, you adjust your cup and mask. What else? You remove jewelries. Make sure that your nails are short and clean, trimmed, properly trimmed. Okay, no artificial nail polish. Okay, remove your jewelries. Adjust your sleeves. Make sure that all the materials are present before scrubbing, like your hand scrub, okay, the soap, the water. Oh, so pag sinabi nyo lang the water, and then you check if there's water. Okay? Now, if everything is ready, that's the time you proceed. First, you open up the faucet. You regulate the amount of water that's flowing. Kasi minsan pala, sa ibang institution, okay, merong hot and cold yan. Sa atin is cold lang. Actually, merong hot yan. Pero, sira